Welcome to another cooking series under the Gumbo Limbo. Today we have the traditional Cuban roast pork. We have here Johnny, Ray, and Camilo, and they all took part of the preparation of this tremendously delicious Cuban roast pork. We started yesterday marinating the pork, and let's take you back and see how it all started. Today we're doing a whole pig, and David and Gregorio will be getting it ready for you. First, they're going to cut it in order for the seasoning to penetrate all the little crevices. They will put all, kosher salt, black pepper, sour orange, lemon juice, fresh garlic, let it marinate overnight. They're now mixing the sour orange. You can smell the garlic. It's around 3 o'clock now, so it will sit and marinate for at least 24 hours. By tomorrow around 3 o'clock, it will go inside the oven. It just looks beautiful. It smells good already. In our tradition, in our cooking, we use a lot of sour orange, and it's, with lemon juice and the kosher salt. Kosher salt, it's heavenly. It improves the taste of any dish that you're making, honestly. Voila, this is amazing. The pork is ready. It will be in the refrigerator for 24 hours marinating. We'll take you through the process tomorrow. We'll turning it, cover it completely in kosher salt, and then put it in the oven. We'll monitor it several times during the process, and then in the evening, we'll serve it to our guests. Today, before it was put in the oven, we protected some parts with tin foil and covered the body with salt. The pork has been in the oven for 4.5 hours, and Ray is ready to open the oven door, and we'll see what surprise he has for us. The salt has been solidified. It is golden browned. Oh my goodness, that looks excellent. Slowly he'll be cleaning the entire surface of the pork. Okay, so now the pork will go back in the oven another half hour in order to finish cooking. The pork was sprayed with vegetable oil before it was taken out of the oven in order for the skin to expand and get really crackling. And this brings us to the end of another cooking series under the Gumbo Limbo. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for our next episode.